The entire crypto market now feels so much dull. Not so much is going on. Basically, the market is neutral and we are all waiting for that big bang, the bull run, right? However, there is a category of cryptocurrencies that are doing extremely well that you can't get on your regular exchange. And I'm talking about meme coins. I mean, if you check on the meme coin market, a lot of coins are doing so much well, all right? And it's crazy. However, the problem is that not everyone can easily get access to meme coin because they are not on your favorite exchange, which is basically secure and very easy to navigate. But what if I told you that yes, it is now possible to trade your favorite meme coin on an exchange? I mean, a centralized exchange. Let's talk about it. So currently, the traditional way of trading meme coins to have 2 or 3 or sometimes even more apps. You need a Trust wallet, you need a MetaMask, you need, like, let's say a Pump.fun, and also basically, I mean, you need multiple apps to get through it if you are a newbie, all right? But these are all changed because most exchanges, I mean, big exchanges are now beginning to merge Web3 with their centralized exchange. Okay, so make it easy to toggle between Web3 and also their traditional exchange, which is super safe. I mean, to me, that is basically one of the safest ways to trade meme coins because they have a security layer on top of your wallet, all right? So before you get into your wallet itself or your decentralized or your Web3 wallet, you might go through their centralized exchange, which is very secure before you get to your Web3 wallet. And it does not mean you don't have control over your Web3 or your Dex wallet. You have access to your private key, your public phrase, and your phrase key and whatnot, all right? Everything is in your hands except that it has a certain layer of security just because you have to go through the exchange before you get to your Dex or Web3 wallets. However, you can even decide to also go solo. So, I mean, let's not wait much more time. Let's get right on. For the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to stick with an app called OKX. Okay, OKX is one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchange out there, all right? So if you don't have an OKX account, make sure that you check in the video description. You will see a link there, create an account, and then verify your account. Once you have your account created and verified, then you can continue with this tutorial. I mean, basically, you can download the app on the Play Store or the App Store and join the tutorial. It's very easy. So once you've done all that, just open your OKX account and it should look something like this, all right? You see, I have 0 balance in my OKX account because I just want to reel you in the process. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are not going to use the exchange itself. We are going to use the Web3 part of the exchange, okay, which means it gives us access to our own private key and also our own EVM account. Basically, you are taking control of your own wallet, but this time on a centralized exchange. Okay, so if you have your OK account created and verified, it should look something like this. Okay, so what you're going to do is to tap on this exchange here because you're going to use the Web3, all right? And you see pay, you see exchange, and you see Web3. Okay, tap on the Web3. I have already created my Web3 account, so mine will look a bit different, okay? But if you're starting off, I mean, to walk you through a simple process, simple creating your account process so that you can copy your key, private key, or your phrase. Basically, this is a keyless wallet, right? But I mean, setting up is super easy. And also, if you want easy access to the Web3, I also have a link in the description. Okay, just tap on the link and just create your Web3 account on your OKX. Download the OKX app, create an account, register, verify, and then, I mean, basically just click on the link and then pretty much walk you straight to the OKX Web3 wallet. Okay, so once there, you see send, receive, history, more. I mean, you also see a couple of cryptocurrencies out there. This is Web3. Okay, this is not, now you are now navigated away from the centralized exchange to a decentralized exchange, which is the Web3. Okay, so now you can get to buy any meme coin that you want to buy, and it doesn't matter the network they are on, right? You can buy from the BSC chain, Solana, Ethereum, wherever. Just have to enter the meme coin and then buy, all right? So you see, you don't need multiple apps to do this. You just need one account, one CX account, that's OK accounts, and you are there, all right? So let's not waste our time. Let's get our first meme coin. Okay, so we are going to get a coin called Crep. Basically, Crep now is now buzzing, all right? Everyone is trying to get Crep. Please know that this is not a financial advice and I'm not endorsing the coin. I'm just using it to demonstrate, okay? But first, before we buy our coin, we have to understand the network that we can find the coin on. Are we going to find it on the BSC chain, or we are going to find it on Solana, okay? But one good thing about this app is that if you know the contract address, you can enter it there to directly list it. It will directly take you to the coin, or you can type the name of the coin if you know and if you're sure, then you can navigate and pick the coin, okay? So for me, to be very secure and to make sure that you are doing the right thing, it's very important that you work with the contract address. Okay, so before we continue, if you've not joined our community, please make sure that you join our community. Again, you can find our community in the video description. Join our community because we share a lot of good meme coins that are doing well. Not only meme coins, we share signals. I mean, we also do full crypto tutorials. Okay, so if you want to learn about crypto, blockchain, anything in between, you want to understand the entire Web3 space, make sure to join our community and learn for free. Okay, so now back to it. Now let's copy from the contract address that we posted in our community, Ghana block. So you see this morning the contract address was pasted. So you see this morning the contract address of Crep was posted. Let's copy it and then let's start. I mean, we just only need the contract address, right? So make sure the contract address is the one that we copy, all right? So let's copy or cut, all right? Then go to tokens, all right? So here we are going to find the token that we want to buy. Okay, you see a couple of tokens out here, all right? A lot of them across multiple chains. Okay, so now let's pick the contract address and find the token that we want to buy. Okay, let's paste it. And now you see we have Crep. All right, so this is the Crep that we are looking for. You know, it's possible to search for the coin by name, but it is very important and much more secure to search with the contract address, because that will give you an accurate identity or the accurate token that you want to buy. All right, so we want to buy Crep. Okay, so we select Crep. But one thing you need to notice that you need to have the currency of the chain you want to buy a coin from. All right, so if it is BSC, you need to have BNB coin. If it is Solana, you need to have SOL or Sol coin. All right, so the Crep is on BNB chain. It seems like BNB chain coins are really doing well this season. Okay, so we need to have some BNB before we can buy the token. All right, so let's get ourselves some BNB. All right, so for us to get our BNB, we have to go back home and go to receive. Okay, and then select BNB. Okay, so you see we have the BNB from BNB chain, and then we go to copy. Then we can send from wherever you want to send. Okay, so I am sending from another exchange. Okay, you can send from your Trust wallet, your MetaMask. You can buy from OKX using P2P, or you can buy pretty much from everywhere you want to buy and then bring it here. Okay, so I am transferring from other places that I have my BNB there. Okay, so let's do it and come back. So I just transferred $30 worth of BNB and I'm waiting for it to arrive in my OKX account. All right, let's see if it is there. I mean, it takes a couple of minutes or second. I mean, it doesn't take that long. Let's wait for it. Yeah, it's already here, right? I have about 29.99, approximately $30 worth of BNB in my OKX Web3 wallet. So let's get our coin. All right, remember we are getting Crep coin. So we go to tokens and then we paste the contract address like I said before. All right, sorry. Okay, so you see Crep. So you see Crep, you tap on it. I mean, here we have two ways to buy the coin, right? You see that you use the quick buy, which is pretty much fast and pretty much newbie, or you can use the trade. Okay, so for the trade, you get access to a centralized exchange feeling, okay? Just like you are using a spot to trade, basically, all right? So if I tap on trade, I can buy using the market order or the limit order. Okay, so you see I can choose the market order or the limit order to buy. Okay, so here I can have the centralized feeling, I mean centralized way of pretty much buying all my meme coins. Okay, but if you're a newbie and you don't want to waste time, I mean just use the quick buy. Okay, it's much more easier. All right, so now let's go back and use the quick buy. Okay, so tap on quick buy and then select how much you want to buy. Okay, so we are going to buy, let's go to custom. Obviously we are not buying 1 BNB, neither are we buying 0.5 because we only have about 0.0274 something BNB. Okay, so let's go to custom and type 0.01, okay, which is about $10. Okay, so here you can see we're going to get about 145.95k of Crep. Okay, or Creepy, I don't know if I'm mentioning it right. All right, and you can see the fees and everything in between. So all you need to do at this point is to tap on buy and then go to understand and go to start trading. And okay, yes, I've enabled my two-way authentication and I just tap on it and instantly I buy it. All right, so you see successfully traded 0.01 BNB for Crep. Okay, so now if I go to my Web3 wallet, if I go back home, you see I have Crep here. You see I have BNB $19 and I have Creppy $10. All right, so you see it's very simple. You don't need to have multiple apps like Pump.fun, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, DexScreener. I mean, you don't have to have multiple apps. You just need one app. You just have your BNB or your Sol there, and then pretty much you go straight to the point. You get your Memecoin that you want to buy. All right. If you also want to get a Memecoin that is on the Solana chain, all you need to do is to go to tokens again. I mean, basically, as soon as you post the contract address, automatically it will identify the network the coin is on. So the most important thing is to know and pick and copy and paste the right contract address. Okay, so you don't have to navigate between all that and all that, but just know the network that Memecoin is on and make sure that you have either BNB or Solana in your OKX account. So I hope this video helped. This is how you trade Memecoins on your centralized exchange such as OKX. If you want to join our community and learn more and have a personal contact, a personal connection with me, make sure that you join my community. It's so simple. Join our Telegram, where you have thousands of people vibing and talking about crypto. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.